Whenever you try to deal with any data set, you do feature engineering, data visualization, and now you need to train your model. Now that's where a confusion arises which model to choose. Which model will be best for my data, whether random forest, light GBM, that is light gradient boosting machine, or XGBoost, or any other model. Well, today in this video, we'll be tackling this problem effectively using PyCaret. Watch the video till the end to get best model selection for your data. So let's get started. Firstly, talking about PyCaret. PyCaret is an open source low code machine learning library in Python that automates machine learning workflows. It is an end to end machine learning and model management tool that speeds up experiment cycle and will be using PyCaret for our model selection. Coming towards our code, we'll be importing pandas as PD for loading our data. I'll be using New York City Airbnb data which is available on Kaggle, and I'll be giving the link of the dataset in description below. Now firstly we'll have to install our dependencies. We'll execute pip install pycaret. As you can see, installation is already completed here and it will not take more than 10 to 20 seconds. Now we'll import our data using pd.readcsv and the file path in which our data has been stored, and df.head to display our data. In order to check the null values in our dataset, we'll execute df.isNull.sum. We can see that the columns such as name or host name, last review and reviews per month has various null values. We can deal these null values by various methods available with us, but for this video, since our focus is on model selection, we'll be simply dropping these columns. So here we have dropped our columns using df.drop and passing the column name which we need to drop over here. Now coming towards an important step, we need to import our module and initialize our setup. We need to use from pycaret.regression import star, where the star represents we are importing all the functions from our module, and the pycaret.regression, since we want to execute a regression task that is predicting the prices. Now here in setup we need to pass two values. Firstly data, which is df in our case, and secondly the target or label column, which is price. And when we execute this will give a data type of all our columns in our data, and we need to verify whether it's right or wrong. And in the bottom you will see a text box appears. If the information about our data is presented correctly, we need to just input y over here, which represents yes, and we'll execute this. After executing this step, we'll be getting this particular output in which we'll be getting a brief information about our data, like what is the original size of our data, what is number of numeric features, what are the number of categorical features, and many such values which will be treated as a recipe for preparing the model. Once we are done with the setup, we'll be executing compare models. This will experiment our data with various models using k-fold cross-validation of 10. It will compare each model's performance on your data and rank the best model on the top based on the factors like MAE, MSC, RMSC, R2, RMS, LE, and MAP scores, and also the time taken for execution. Well, we'll be skipping this execution period and quickly jump to the output for saving our time. The execution may take up from 8 to 10 minutes since it will be comparing various models with k-fold cross-validation. Once we are done executing this compare model step, we'll be getting this table as an output, and we can see that light GBM, that is light gradient boosting machine, has resulted the best model for our dataset. Also we can see various models compared with each other. Also considering only MAE, RMS, LE and MAP scores, it shows that random forest works better. So it depends on application and use cases we want to focus on. If I am working on a use case where my focus is only RMSLE score, that is root mean square log error score, then probably I will prefer random forest over light GBM. Well, this was all from my side. Hope this video was helpful. Do punch a like and comment your views or reviews about the video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That motivates me to bring more such amazing content with you all. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.